All right, so this is explaining the last example with how to type in our rational exponents. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in 9 and then the caret, and then so mine shows that it goes up there, okay? So it has a separate spot. If you're using a scientific calculator, sometimes it doesn't do that, so you'll need parentheses. But when it looks like this, you wouldn't need parentheses, but you can always put parentheses if you're not sure. And then it said rounded 2 decimal places, so the nearest hundredth, okay? And then type in 12 to the 3/8, same thing. The 4th root of 7 to the 3rd. So when we want to find the nth root, on a scientific calculator, you should see an nth root somewhere, or x root, something like that. For us using, or for me using this graphing calculator, I'm going to go to math. And you'll notice that there's a cube root one that you can use whenever it's a cube root. Since this is a 4th root, I'm gonna use the 5th one. Okay. Then it shows me a spot. So the 4th root of 7, and then I'm gonna go to the 3rd. And that gives me my 4.30. If you are using a scientific calculator, sometimes you type in the 4 first, and then you type in the x root, and then you type in 7. And remember that that can be to the 3rd on the outside or underneath the radical. Okay, so sometimes we type in the 4, and then we go to the thing, and then it will automatically put it in the radical. And then 3 to the negative 4/5 is the same idea as before. So hopefully that helps. If you have questions about how to type it in your calculator, please ask.